Hey everybody, this is Technoli, and today we got a little fun video. I picked up this Lenovo e431 on eBay for $40. There's a ton of them on eBay, and I thought, how bad would this computer run in 2020? So I got it in, and it's an i3 processor with 4 gigabytes of RAM and a regular spinning mechanical hard drive. So real typical of this vintage, right? This came originally with Windows 8 Pro. So what we're going to do is I went ahead and installed Windows 10 fresh on this computer so we could do a speed test on just real life situations. So first of all, up here on the screen, I've got a stopwatch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the computer and press start on the stopwatch and see how long it takes just to boot. We're going to start. 1, 2, 3, go. Now we all know that booting up the computer just to get it to where it's on the desktop is one thing, but in actually working the computer, using the computer, is another. So we'll go ahead and get a time on this when it gets on the desktop. Okay, there we go. So roughly almost 21 seconds. Now I want to go ahead and start doing things. So I'm going to click the internet. I'm going to click on Internet Explorer because I want to start working. Oh, maybe I want to open up something. So does this all look familiar? I'm clicking on things and nothing's happening, of course. I still don't have Google. So this is what I'm talking like real world situation where, you know, I'm ready to use my computer, but my computer's not ready for me. We're still waiting for Google. I'm not going to click anything else. Still waiting on Google. Still waiting. There comes Google. Come on. Okay. Now, can I actually go to YouTube right now and do something? Let's see. Okay, so there, click, come on, come on. All right, I'm gonna click the first video that pops up. Okay, all right, so now it's working. All right, so I'm done with that, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up Firefox too, because I wanna check something on the internet while I'm listening to music videos, right? So we'll go to Microsoft. Okay, because I wanna see what's going on. Okay, so there's Windows 10, la la la. All right, so you see how it's just struggling to give me what I want to do. Now I'm going to open up several windows. I right-clicked. Okay, there it is. So you see that? I'm going to right-click on Google to open it, and it's just, you know, it's not snappy. You're going to get frustrated with it. So I've already got this Kingston SSD ready to go, a fresh install of Windows 10, and we're going to see how bad it is. Okay, see if this really helps. We're not going to increase the memory or anything, just going to change out the hard drive. All right, let's go ahead and shut it down. On this particular model, I wanted you guys to see how easy it is to change the hard drive. There's just 1, 2, 3 screws. Lift up this, pull out the old hard drive, okay? And we'll put in the SATA. Now there is a little tray that this will sit in and it secures it, but for right now we'll just leave it like this. Put this back, cover back on. All right, now let's go ahead and plug in my mouse and let's do the same test. Now we had 21 seconds before, right? So I'm going to reset that. Okay, so let's do it with the SSD. 1, 2, 3, go. we had 21 seconds. Let's see if we can do any better. Okay, we're in. And that was like 13 seconds. I was a little slow getting to the mouse. Okay, so 13 seconds, almost double. Now, I want to go ahead and start doing some things. So I'm going to click both Google. Oh my God. I clicked both Chrome and Internet Explorer. They both popped up right away. All right, so let's go to YouTube, see if there's any delay. All right. See, it's just snappier. It's ready to go.
What does it take to be a Shenyun dancer?
I don't know. So, you know, you can be multitasking and doing several things at a time. You know, running a video is not an easy thing. It is stressful on a computer. And so I want to see just how many I can run at the same time. So let's just click on this one. And let's go over here and open up another one. So definitely worth it with the $30 SSD hard drive.
Google Fi.
We're talking
By Google. If a winter traveler made a
with a $40 for the computer, $45, and $30, so we're at $70, and we've got a working computer. But best of all, if you already have one of these in your closet, start using it. It works. And it's a nice little computer. It's not that thick of a computer. You know? It's not bad at all. It's not monstrously heavy or anything. So, I think it's definitely worth it. You could do this on any of your computers that you've got laying around and you're not using. And just for a simple investment of an SSD hard drive, just gives you a working computer again. And sometimes these computers are faster than the new ones you buy at like Walmart. They're really junk. Also, if you're going to reinstall this computer came with Windows 8 Pro. Now I installed Windows 10 Pro on this and did not put a key in when I installed it, which I'll have here at the end of this video. You're going to see a link to how to install Windows 10 for free. And as you can see right here, Windows is activated. Okay, right there. Windows is activated. So you can have a computer up and running again in no time. All right? Hope you like this little video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.